Wagwan, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, first up, my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show when two persons did something that some people might call shoplifting. Some people might also call what those two persons had done stealing viewers and subscribers. So may I say, now the video shows some things that happened when two persons entered a business place that some people might call a food store. Some people might also call the business place a different type of name as well to viewers and subscribers. However, the video shows when those two persons was holding a certain amount of items and they went to where a person was sitting inside of the business establishment viewers and subscribers, and then at some point those two persons ran from out of the business establishment with a certain amount of items. Viewers and subscribers, I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness, and I would like you to tell me what you think about the situation. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. Alright, now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, now my people, I want you to take notice of the way how those persons walk from one part to another part. You know, just take notice of their behavior. See, and I want you to look at their faces at a certain part of the video. Just look what I want. Just keep looking. Look at their faces. Look. You see that? Now, in my point of view, I'm going to say to most adults, I think it is common knowledge that shoplifting is wrong. What those two persons have done is wrong. No, I don't have any confirmed information if they have been caught or so forth. You understand me? Some people talk about this video on social media or about the situation that I can see in the video of your subscribers. I tell you, things set away. Alright, so on to another topic, you know. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and even though this video shows up to a certain point of a situation, because the video is not really a long video, I would like you to look and listen to the video and tell me what you think about this situation. You see me? So this video shows when a law enforcer hold on to a person and also told the person that the person is under arrest, viewers and subscribers. See? And in the video can hear when at least one person said the word behavior. See me? My people, based on what you're about to see and hear in this video, I would like you to tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation that you can see and hear in the video, even though the video is not really a long video. So please bear that in mind. And viewer discretion is advised for this video as well. Observe with me.
When I am shy, I'm not gonna drop. Eating. And then it's a what? For what?
Now, based upon a police uniform we see in the video, I think it is safe for me to say that the video had been recorded within Trinidad and Tobago. So me as viewers and subscribers, now my people, would like you tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to that situation. You see what I'm saying to you? Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, on to a more serious topic now, viewers and subscribers. See, I got information that a police officer from within the country of Jamaica had been accused of robbing a female of over $900,000 right in front of a police station or within the vicinity of a police station that some people call the Cedar Valley Police Station in St. Thomas. I got information that at some point the police officer was taken into police custody and that the whole situation was brought before the court, viewers and subscribers. I got information that the police officer was remanded. Now I got information that the police officer had been granted bail at the sum of $1 million. Yeah, I got information that the police officer had been granted bail at the sum of $1 million. Now let me explain to you in my words and according to how I understand information that I got about this whole situation. I also read a news article that basically said that a lawyer who represented the police officer said certain things to a judge that I think some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find interesting. According to police reports, viewers and subscribers, it is said that within the month of April, the female who is said to be the victim went to buy something or some things, viewers and subscribers. I got more than one information about that situation. Is what I'm saying to you. However, it is said that the female was walking in Cedar Valley Square, and it is said that when the female reached within the vicinity of the police station or close to the police station, then viewers and subscribers, a motor vehicle drove up and someone came from out of the motor vehicle. So allegedly it is said that the person was holding a gun, and allegedly it is said that the person who came from out of the motor vehicle robbed the female of over $900,000. I got more than one information as to the exact figure. You see me? So it is said that the person who was considered to be the robber went back inside of the motor vehicle and the motor vehicle sped off, viewers and subscribers. It is said that at some point police had been alerted about the situation, and it is said that at some point the motor vehicle that is believed to be the motor vehicle that was involved in the alleged robbery was found abandoned at a certain location. And it is also said that the police officer who had been accused of robbing the female was seen within the vicinity or close to where the motor vehicle was at. So it is said that the police officer was taken into police custody, and it is said that following further investigation, police went to a house at a certain location where a man was taken into police custody, a firearm was seized, and a large sum of money was recovered from that location. Now, according to a news article, it is said that a lawyer, in the applying for the bail for the police officer, told the judge that his client should not have been arrested. Listen up. Arguing that the arrested officer ought to be the arresting officer in the case. It is said that the lawyer explained that the police officer received information through his intelligence network, which led to the recovery of the money and the firearm. But at the same time, we get information that the police officer had been accused of robbing a female. So it is said that the police officer goes by the last name of Henry, and the other person who had been taken into police custody jointly with this whole situation goes by the last name of Thomas. See? Yes, so it is said that the police officer had been granted bail. However, it is said that there are certain conditions attached to the bail, viewers and subscribers. So what I'm saying to you, and the other person who goes by the last name of Thomas, it is said that that person was further remanded. Yeah, so if you like, come bring information to you, my viewers and subscribers, I can let me know, and If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.